In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a stop loss on Trading 212. And this is actually very simple. So the first step is to obviously open the Trading 212 app and then, for example, select a stock. In my case, I'm just going to select Netflix stock for this video. Then we have to click on buy, and then we can obviously select the amount. Let's just go with $500 or 500 euros for now. And what we have to do is we click on stop, which is the stop loss. And then we can enter the number of shares. We can also see it in the euro amount right here. And then here we can see the price. And if it drops under the price amount we set, it will close the position of the holding automatically so that you don't lose any more money. Then you're just gonna click on place order, and yeah, that's it. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.